Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know. It's been coming down for some time. When it's over, so they say, it will rain someday. I know. Shining down like water. Whoa, whoa. Hey. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Whoa, coming down on a sunny day.
Yes. Arthur Gunn with the third rendition of him performing that incredible song and changing it up every single time.
Arthur, you're an absolute star. You have carved your place, man. The best performances, the best in vocals, and more importantly, the best in style and personality. No matter what happens forward, you take this star and ride it all the way.
Thank you so much, man.
Debesh, listen, I don't know what pill you took for today's performances, but in my own opinion, you took the winning pill because you came with the last play. It's like you had a last ace up your sleeve. And if you win, I think you should put out that version of the song because it was tremendous.
Thank you so much.
Way to nail every aspect of American Idol. I mean, you have checked every American Idol box that you need to check, in my opinion. I mean, you're a star, you're authentic. If there are any more like you in Kathmandu, please get on the phone and call them and tell them to come out next year, please.
So true.
Congrats, buddy. We love you.
That was Arthur's final shot to win your votes. If he's your next American Idol, vote for him right now. It's 10 votes per contestant, per method. Voting closes after this round of music. So important that you get those votes into us. Arthur, thank you. Good luck. We'll see you in just a little bit.
Thank you so much, Ryan.
Okay, buddy.
Thank you.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe below to see all the latest American Idol news.
Yeah, from the latest performances to a candid video of Katie stealing the snacks from my dressing room. Our channel has it all.
I don't do that.
You did.
Oh, much.
More American Idol is only a click away.
Subscribe now.